John.
He said interactive.
Yeah. We are jagging around here at the Fort Pitt Museum. It has been probably 4 years since I've been here, and I think that's true of so many Pittsburghers. You're in the midst of spring cleaning.
Yeah.
There's so much going on. Mike, tell us a little bit about what can we expect when we come in here?
Well, first of all, welcome back, and we don't judge that you haven't been here in a while.
Thank you.
We're glad to have you
I know,
back.
I felt like confession for a minute, right?
So when people come to the Fort Pitt Museum, we tell the kind of earliest story of the Point and Pittsburgh from the time of Native American occupation in the 17th century and even further back, all the way up until about the year 1800. So we cover the French and Indian War, the American Revolution, and the Whiskey Rebellion right here in this building.
But right now, you're cleaning up. You're doing your January clean to get ready for the spring.
Imagine how much dirt and grime kind of accumulates in a place like this throughout the course
In
of the
my
year.
bathroom.
And we do day-to-day cleaning and things like that, but you know, every once in a while things need a deep clean. And so typically in January, we close to the public for the entire month. We deep clean all the exhibits, we clean the floors, we clean the carpets, we install new objects and graphics and things like that.
So if Pittsburghers didn't procrastinate and they were here, say, late summer, early fall, and now they're coming after the spring clean, what can they expect?
So coming back, you're gonna find new case lighting in a lot of the exhibits, kind of bringing things really front and center and illuminating them. New graphics throughout, some new objects have been installed. In our Homelands Native Nations of Allegheny exhibit. Upstairs, we've installed some new objects from the State Museum that we've worked with the Delaware Tribe of Indians to incorporate. So you go to HeinzHistoryCenter.org/Fort Pitt, and that's our website. That'll give you all the latest updates and information. We'll be excited to see everyone back.